How you can turn off your active status into your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can disable your activity status into your Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Instagram, and from here you have to click on your profile icon that is in the bottom right corner and click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to go in the settings and the privacy. Now here you have to simply go in the search and you have to search for your activity status. Here is the option of the show activity status. You have to click on it, and from here you are able to turn on and off this, and after that no one be able to see that when you are coming online or offline. So this is how you can turn off your active status. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.